It is sharp at 11:30, so I will start the lesson. Chapter 3, Factors and Multiples. Then first point, we can take numbers which contain 0, 2, 4, 6, end of the last digit are divisible by 2. They are even numbers. All even numbers are divisible by 2. By 2 and have its last digit. And have its last digit one of 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. So all even numbers are divisible by 2 and have its last digit 1 of 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Write down this. Then as an example,
Finish, teacher.
Finish.
No, teacher.
Next one. If the digital root of a number is a multiple of 3. If not, we can write if the sum of the digit of a number is a multiple of 3. It is divisible by 3. Now you know if the last digit of a number 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, that is divisible by 2. If the sum of, as an example, 12. So straightly, by looking at this number, we have to decide whether it is divisible by 3. So I can take the digital index of this one. 1 plus 2, that is 3. Digital root came multiple of 3. So it is divisible by 3. 36. We'll add this and see. 3 plus 6, 9. Then divisible by 3. 123. So straightly can you say it is divisible by 3? By finding the digital index we can say, right? We are adding 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 and 2, 3 and 3, 6. Yeah, multiple of 6 came. Digital root came here 6. So it is divisible by 3. Then I take 1427. First you have to take the digital index. 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 7. 1 and 4, 5. 5 and 2, 7. 7 and 7, 14. 14. Then 1 plus 4, 5. Is this divisible by 3? Rumenika? Digital index game
No,
not a
teacher.
yeah, 5 is not a multiple of 3, so it is not divisible by 3. If the sum of the digit of number is a multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, multiple of 3.
Teacher man then.
Then it is divisible by 3.
Teacher man then join une මොකද්ද teacher කරේ?
I just start to do this one. Chapter 3, factors and multiples. Right? Write the topic. Then you know all the even numbers, last digits contain 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Right? They are definitely divisible by 2. All the even numbers definitely contain 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. So they are divisible by 2. And we have to check whether a number divisible by 3. So what you have to do is you have to add these two digits. Now 12, we want to check whether it is divisible by 3. So you can add 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 3, 3, then it is divisible by 3. If the digital index එහෙම නැත්නම් මේකට කියනවා තව එකක් digital root කියලා කියනවා. හරි if the digital root came 3 6 9 ඒ කියන්නේ multiple of 3 આવොත් so it is divisible by 3. මේ 36 add 3 and 6 come in 9 yes that is divisible by 3. Add 1 plus 2 plus 3 that is 6 yes it is divisible by 3. 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 7 altogether it is coming last digital index එක කිය දෙන්නේ we can add here 1 plus when we add this all together it is coming 14 right 14 then 1 and 4 add again then 15 1 and 4 5 5 and 2 7 and 7 14 then here again at 1 and 4 5. So it is not a multiple of 3. තුනේ ගුණාකාරයක් නෙමෙයිනේ. Last index එකක් ලැබෙනකම්ම add කරන්න. 3 6 9. මේ තුනෙන් එකක් ආවොත් එක definitely divisible by 3. Okay, write down this.
Finish teacher. No teacher, I am in if the sum. Finish teacher. No teacher.
Okay, teacher, I have finished.
No teacher. Teacher අරක දාන්නකො teacher. I am in Finish, teacher.
Right. Tick the numbers divisible by 3. You have to find the digital root and then like this you have to tick. Huh? Then okay, in front of this write whether they are divisible by 3 or not. First one, I do it for you. 2 plus 7 plus 3. 2 and 7.
What
Huh? Yes, write the method. 2 and 7, 9. 9 and 3, 12. 12 is mean 1 plus 2. Digital root come in 3. So yes, it is divisible by 273 is divisible by 3. 526. Then other sums you do alone. $526. 5 plus 2 plus 6. 5 and 2, 7, 7 and 6. 7 and 6, 13. 1 and 3, that is 4. 7 plus 2. Then you can write here 9. Yes, it is divisible. 83. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 plus 1 then. 11 is mean 1 plus 1. Again, can you understand?
Teacher.
Yes, it is not divisible by 3 then. Now 63. 6 plus 3. It is 9. Yes, it is divisible by 3. 212. 2 plus 1 plus 2. 2 and 1, 3 and 2, 5. No, it is not divisible by 3. 722. 7 plus 2 plus 2. 7 and 2, 9 and 2, 11. 1 and 1, 2.
Finish, teacher.
Yes, that is not divisible. Only 3 numbers are divisible by 3 here. Now you can check whether a number divisible by 3, right? Soon you can decide it by looking at this. Do you know how to find your lucky number?
No, teacher.
You don't know, tell me your birthday.
2009, 12, 29.
Okay, I will find your lucky number, right? 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 9. 2 and 9, 11. 11 and 1, 12. 12 and 2, 13. 13 and 2, 15. 15 and 9, 24. Then 2 plus 4. 6. Your lucky number is 6. Tell Rumenica's birthday.
2009,
Hmm?
5/21.
Then you add these numbers together, it will get in the one index. So then you are getting the lucky number. 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9 plus 0 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. 2 and 9, 11. 11 and 5, 16. 16 and 2, 18. 18 and 1, 19. 1 and 9, 10. 1 plus 0. Rumenica's lucky number is 1. Nipla Newton? Who wants to find? Others also find your lucky numbers then. මෙන්න මේ දෙන්නගේ lucky numbers දෙක. Right, like that you can find. Hari. Like that way you have to get the digital root. If the digital index came 369, that number definitely divisible by 3. So I will erase this one now.
Okay, teacher.
Right. Next.
Teacher, I was not finished.
I'm still writing.
Last question.
Huh?
I'm in the last question. Finish, teacher.
No, teacher, I'm still writing.
Where are you now?
I'm in 72.
Oh, still here. Then we have to check about the divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Here. If you take a 2-digit number whose 10th digit is odd. 10th digit. Now as an example, 52. This is unit digit. එහෙනම් මේ digit එක මොකද්ද? Tens place නේ. Tens digit. Now we want to check whether a number, 2-digit number, සංඛ්‍යා දෙකක එකක්. How to decide whether it is divisible by 4 without dividing it. Right? This is tens digit. This is unit digit. Right? 2-digit numbers whose tens digit is odd. Tens place එකේ තියෙන එක මෙන්න මෙයා odd. This is odd. And unit digit number even. Odd and unit digit is 2 or 6. Nameka. This is 2 or 6 out. That number definitely divisible by 4. We will write it first and we will do some examples and see what is the usage of this one. Right? I will clear this now. All of you look at. Now, make a තේරුණාද මම කරපු දේ? එකත් I just clear it.
Yes, teacher.
I will just clear it again. Divisible by 4. Now I will just take, I give an example. Any number you can take. I will just take 52. This is the unit digit, unit place. This is the tens digit. In a 4-digit number, If the first number, tens digit place, if the number came odd, meya odd ne? This number, if it is came 2 or 6, then that number definitely divisible by 4. Just we will try this and then we will see how to use 2-digit number.
Excuse me, teacher.
Oh, tell will you?
Do we need to write this?
Yes, yes. 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers. Whose tens digit? Whose tens digit is odd? Odd. And the unit digit is 2 or 6. 6. And
Teacher, did you teach divisible by 3?
මොකද පුතේ?
Divisible by 3.
Oh,
Did you teach?
ඇයි දැන් කරේ පුතේ?
Teacher need to write that one?
Oh, ඒක ලිව්වේ අපි? ලිව්වේ නැද්ද?
No, teacher.
ඉතින් ලියා ගන්න දුන්නානේ කලින්.
Teacher, I will write after the video. I will look the video again and I will write that.
Ah, yes, divisible by 4. 2-digit numbers whose 10 digit is odd and the unit digit is 2 or 6. That number is divisible by 3. Then we can write like this. I think if someone can't understand, you can clear by looking at this one. Now I just take all the odd numbers below 100. What are the odd numbers? 1 odd, 3 odd, 5 odd, 7 odd, 9. What they are saying? 2-digit numbers whose tens digit is odd. Tens place number. Then I wrote the tens place numbers here. And the unit digit is 2 or 6. And now I can, then I have a problem here. 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 9, 9. According to this like that, 2-digit numbers whose 10 digit is odd number and the unit digit is 2 or 6. And one is 2, other one is 6. Other one is 2, this is 6. 2, 6. 2, 6. 2, 6. Look at here. Then this all the numbers are divisible by 4, ne? Can you understand? මේක තේරුණාද කියන්න?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
All are
Teacher, I
divisible.
didn't understand.
කවුද මේ?
Teacher, Manoj. Teacher, me.
හරි. දැන් හොඳට බලන්න ආයේ divisible by 4. This is the unit digit එකේ ස්ථානය. This is the tens digit. Tens place. Right? If the tens digit is odd number and the unit digit place number 2 or 6, that number is divisible by 4. Then other 10 ස්ථානයේ odd number එකක් තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි මේවා කතා කරන්නේ 2 digit numbers. සංඛ්‍යා දෙකේ කියන්නේ 100ට අඩු ඒවා. මෙන්න මේ වගේ numbers වල පළවෙනි එක odd එකක් වෙලා දෙවෙනියට තියෙන එක 2 or 6 වුණොත් that number is divisible by 4. That's what they are saying here. Then තේරුණාද?
Yes, teacher.
එහෙනම් මේවනේ ඔක්කොම තියෙන්නේ. අපේ 100ට අඩු 4න් බෙදෙන මේ රූල් එකට තියෙන සංඛ්‍යා ටික තමයි මේ ඔක්කොම ටික. ලියා ගන්න.
Did you finish, teacher?
Finish.
No, teacher. No,
Do you want to write those numbers? 12, 16, 32?
Yes,
That
yes.
numbers?
Oh, and 1 1 3 3 5 5 7 7 9 9. 2 6 2 6 2 6 2 6. They all are divisible by 4.
madam,
Yes.
are 2-digit numbers whose tens digit is odd and the unit digit is 2 or 6, then that number is divisible by 4 the 3 the
4 4 4. රුමේනිකා මගෙන් 3 එකක් එවනේ මං හිතෙන්ද 3 දාලා හින්දා. 4.
Finish, teacher.
Finish.
No, teacher. Finish, teacher. No, teacher.
Right. For
No,
this,
teacher, I'm still writing.
only upper part, right? Another rule is there for the 4 digits divisibility. Now we can take a number like this. Then whose tens digit? Even. As an example, I will take 4, no, 2, 4, right? Like this then. Whose tens digit? Even. Tens digit place even number. And unit digits place 4 or 8. This is 4 or 8. This is unit digit place. This is tens digit. Unit digit and tens digit. Here then in the tens digit place even number and the unit digit place 4 or 8. Then that number also divisible by 4. Then earlier we talk tens digit place odd number and the unit digit place 2 or 6. That numbers are divisible by 4. මෙතන කතා කරන්නේ if the tens place even number and the unit place 4 or 8 then also divisible by 4. Then we can write here tens digit. Tens digit is even. Even and unit digit is 4 or 8 are divisible by 4. Then we can write here like this. First one, even numbers 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8. These are the even numbers. තියෙන්න පුළුවන් ඒවනේ. Less than 100. Huh?
අපි ලියන්න ඕනේ 2 2 4 4 6 6 කියන එක එහා පැත්තෙන්ද නැත්නම් පල්ලෙහාටම ලියා ගන්නද?
රිඩ තියෙනවා නම් එහෙම ලියන්න නැත්නම් මේව ලියා ගන්න. හරි? ඊට පස්සේ මේ 4 or 8 තිබුණොත් ඉස්සරහින් මේ just I will write here. This is 4, this is 8, divisible by 4. 4, 8, 4, 8, 4, 8. These are the numbers that divisible by 4. So this all the numbers below 100 that divisible by 4 are here then. Here and here both. And these all are divisible. Right? Tens digit is even and the unit digit place 4 or 8. That numbers are divisible by 4. Write down this.
Finish, teacher.
No, teacher. Finish, teacher. Finish, teacher.
Mhm. Now, Futte, when we concern about the 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers. Now we talk about only 2-digit numbers. Ne? These are all the 2-digit number that divisible by 4. Right? First we talk if the odd number is at the tens place and the last digit is 2 or 6. That number is divisible by 4. And now we talk about this one. If the first digit is an even number and the last digit is 4 or 8, then that number also divisible by 4. Then we have a doubt about the 3 digits numbers and 4 digits numbers, right? So how I will tell you how to solve this one. Now as an example, if there is a 3-digit number 312, then we have to look at only this 2 digit. මෙන්න මේ 2 digits එක divisible by 4 කියලා දන්නවනේ. This 12 is divisible by 4. Then this whole thing is divisible by 4. If I write 5016, can tell me whether this is divisible by 4 or not without dividing? Because last 2 digits are divisible by 4. This whole thing is divisible by 4. Right? Then I will write, is this divisible by 4?
Yes.
Yes, why? Last digit is 72, may divisible by 4. This whole thing is divisible by 4. 25,792. Is this divisible by 4? Yes.
Yes.
Last digit, yeah, 92.
Excuse me,
divisible by
teacher.
4. Yes. Tell will you?
We need to write this.
No need. I am just explaining and we are going to write it later. One rule about this big numbers greater than 2 digits, right? Digits වලට දෙකකට වඩා වැඩි ඒවා. Then make it the 364. Can you say this is divisible by 4 or not? Yes, last digit is 64, so it is divisible by 4. Then if I write 5084, is that divisible by 4 or not? Divisible. Last one is divisible by 4. If I write 2000, that is the second rule of this. If the last 2 digit of a number divisible by 4 or this last 2 digits are zeros. අවසාන සංඛ්‍යා දෙක බිංදු දෙකක් නම් then also divisible by 4.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Which time the class is finishing?
Like 12:10 විතර තව චුට්ටක් තියෙනවා මේ ටික ඉවර කරලා finish කරනවා.
Okay.
Divisibility of rules of 4 finish and then I am going to finish the class. Right. Then we came to know how to check whether a number divisible by 4. We'll write down any number ending in a 2-digit number. Which is divisible by 4. Or ending in 2 zeros. ඔන්න අලුත් එක 2 zeros are divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Then you can write here 2200. Last 2 digits 0, those are divisible by 4. 4000. Last 2 digits 0, divisible by 4. 2024. Last 2 digit divisible by 4. Whole thing is divisible by 4. 300. Yes, last 2 digits divisible by 4. So, whole thing is divisible by 4. 700. Last 2 numbers are zeros, so divisible by 4. Right, that's how we can decide. Okay, write down this.
Finish, teacher.
Finish.
No, teacher. Finish, teacher.
Right.
No,
Then
teacher.